Can't stop the fun when business isn't yan. Can't stop the joy when you worry no more. Don't settle for then comfy business. Let's go to trustworthy and bliss. Oh, ZY, ZY business, ZY, ZY building business, building future. Oh, ZY, ZY business, ZY, ZY not just for business but a stable one. ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Whoa, oh, oh, oh. All you need is ZY, ZY shop, ZY, ZY shop. Be your major distributor.
And yes, you can now start your own brand. You can now start your own business for you to have a better future with CY Bioscience Corp. Again, guys, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag, the owner and founder of ZY Shop Worldwide Company. So CY Bioscience Corp, your comprehensive private labeling partner from skincare and clothing to importation solutions. So, of course, guys, this is formerly known as CY Shop Worldwide Company, founded way back 2014 by me. And as for our specialization, we have expanding horizon in private labeling and global importation. Our mission is, of course, to empower entrepreneurs with high quality, customizable product and reliable import solution. To be the global leader in innovative, sustainable, and scalable business solutions is our vision. Of course, our core values is excellence, versatility, sustainability, and partnership. So we are looking for people who wanted to start their own business through our private labeling services of skincare and clothing. And of course, naghahanap kami ng mga gustong maging CEO na sarili nilang direct selling company, as CY Shop is stepping down and giving way to more people who wanted to start their own direct selling company. So way back then, CY Shop started as a direct selling company carrying apparel, shoes, accessories, and personal care products and working through a network of distributors to sell our product. And this 2025, we wanted to step down to give way to more people na gustong magkaroon ng sarili nilang direct selling company. Si ZY Shop, guidance mo na lang. 20% ng profit natin na pupunta sa ating outreach program through our CY Shop Foundation, because I always believe that the secret of living is giving. Sobrang dami na ng mini libraries na naipatayo at scholars na nag-graduate na. And of course, throughout the 10 years, a decade of excellence, a decade of success with CY, we are now stepping down our direct selling company because we wanted to be your partner when it comes with the importation of clothing through our partners in Vietnam, Thailand, and Bangladesh. Of course, yours truly is the CEO and founder of ZY Bioscience Corp, Dr. Ram Dagdag. And of course, is ZY Shop, guys, for 10 years already, a decade of success. We have numerous awards already, and we are very, very happy to have you guys on our journey of excellence throughout the year. And of course, sobrang dami na rin ang natulungan at naturuan natin kung paano mapalago ang kanilang negosyo through ZY Entrep Academy. Overall, this is ZY Bioscience Corp. Our comprehensive offerings offers private labeling. So we have our private labeling services, which is the skincare products such as serum, soap, lotions, sunscreen, and many, many more. Of course, clothing like casual wear, active wears, and formal attires. And of course, we have our importation services. This is a direct sourcing from Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand to support for businesses in setting up distribution network, guidance on customs logistics and compliance. And of course, we have our value-added services, which is the branding, packaging, and marketing support, entrepreneurial training through our ZY Entrep Academy. So why choose ZY Bioscience Corp? As for the experience, mga mare, over a decade in private labeling and importation, we are number one on that. So, nung tinayo natin ang ating ZY Shop Direct Selling Company, sobrang dami ng ating naging members. And this time, I want you to create your own. Kaya, guidance na lang ako. So, naghahanap ako ng mga taong gustong magtayo ng sarili nilang direct selling company. Tutulungan kita sa pagtayo ng distribution system mo, pati price listing mo. So, when it comes with diversity, we have a wide range of products to cater to various industries. And of course, global reach. Establish partnership with international suppliers and manufacturers. Throughout the years, we're able to establish our partnership. That's why I am now extending my support to those people who wanted to start their own clothing brand, to start their own skincare brand, and of course, to start their own direct selling company. Sustainability is our number one focus. Of course, focus on eco-friendliness materials and ethical practices. As for the support, we have end-to-end assistance from product ideation to market launching. Skincare private labeling, guys. So why choose private labeling skincare with CY Shop? As for the customization, we have tailored products to reflect your brand identity, cost effectiveness, time saving, exclusive rights, and of course, expert support to leverage our expertise in formulation and packaging. What differentiates CY Bioscience Corp naman when it comes with skincare? Quality assurance, sustainability, scalability, and an end-to-end service. We have our core line ready to customize formulation or tinatawag nating pre-formulated product, custom formulation, packaging options, and certifications. Of course, our services includes custom formulation development, label design and branding, packaging solution, and quality assurance and testing. So how to start naman your private label skincare brand with us? We have 4 phases that you have to undergo. Consultation phase, branding phase, manufacturing phase, and distribution phase. So these are the sample products that we offer and the packaging that we have. So meron tayong perfume, lip tint, face serum, sunscreen, body lotion, and face serum. So this is the packages that we offer that you can start at lower MOQ of 100 pieces for soap for 2,500 pesos. And kung gusto mo ng own formulation, a minimum order quantity of 1,000 pieces lang naman. Free shipping nationwide, free basic logo layout, free label sticker, at syempre, free marketing materials na for photo and videos na din po yan. At the same time, we have our elite rebranding package na kung saan uuwi kang may billboard sa EDSA, mga mare. 500,000 lang, 4,000 pieces of soap na yan, 2,000 lip tint, 1,000 sunscreen, 1,000 serum, 600 lotion, and 300 perfume. Own formulation mo na to at nakakontrata ka na sa amin. At the same time, gagawan ka na rin namin ng FB page mo, FB group, FB resellers group, free marketing video, free TikTok account, free DTI business name registration with 3 months brand marketing campaign. At syempre, hahanapan natin ng seller ang mga brand mo. Free TikTok shop, free TikTok affiliate, free Shopee and Lazada assistance na din. So, ang maganda rito mga mare, hindi ka mag-i-start nang wala kang alam because nandito kami para tulungan at turuan ka sa pagsisimula ng own skincare brand mo. Wala kang gagawin dito, magiging CEO ka na lang. And of course, 450K gold package natin, meron na yung 1,000 pieces soap, 500 lip tint, 500 sunscreen, 200 serum, 200 lotion, at 100 pieces perfume. DTI business name registration mo, kasama na rin yan. Free FB page, free FB group, free TikTok account, free TikTok shop, free TikTok affiliates, at free brand marketing for 1 month. At the same time, kung hindi mo pa naman afford ang ating Gold at Elite rebranding package, meron din po tayong 25K bronze package kung saan free shipping nationwide, free logo layout, free sticker label, free basic video and photo shoot na din, at free DTI business name registration with free basic marketing materials. That includes 100 pieces soap, 50 lip tint, 50 sunscreen, 50 serum, 50 lotion, and 30 perfume. Sobrang ganda na rin ang ating bronze package para sa mga startup. And of course, meron din po tayong mga skincare set available. Kung ang target mo naman ay skincare set at yun ang target mong i-launch sa market, pwede kang mag-start sa ating rejuvenating set, niacinamide set, glass skin set, at melasma set. Meron po tayong package ABC, package A for 10,000 pesos with 50 soap and 50 skincare set. For package B naman with 200 skincare sets, 200 soap at free DTI na din. Sa 100,000 naman na package C, mga mare, own formulation mo na ng 500 skincare set yan with 500 pieces soap. Own formulation, nakapatan sa'yo with clinical studies and clinical testings na din yan. Free DTI business name registration at syempre meron na din yung free Facebook page, free TikTok account at free TikTok shop at free DTI business name registration, free shipping nationwide, free basic logo layout, free label sticker, free photo and video shoot na din. You can of course be the next CEO of your own skincare business with CY Bioscience Corp private labeling. This is our product but your brand. Of course, meron din tayong clothing private labeling. Sa clothing private labeling naman natin, so why choose our private labeling in fashion? We have brand identity. You can establish your unique presence in the market. Of course, profitability with higher margin with exclusive products. Custom designs, you have the freedom to create collection that matches your vision. And of course, we have flexibility. You can adapt to trends and consumer demands very quickly. Scalability, start small and expand with ease. Our services includes design and prototyping, private label branding, sustainable fabric sourcing, and of course, manufacturing with high quality control. What is the process? All we have to do is to have the consultation phase, understanding your brand identity and goals. Step 2 is the customization, fabric selection, design creation, and brand elements. As for the production, we have high quality manufacturing and strict quality checks. And of course, we have the seamless distribution to meet your deadlines. And of course, guys, meron tayong mga private labeling packages such as the Sisa Plats with 25 pairs at 3,500. Meron din tayong mga Sisa trendy dress and tops that starts at 5,000 pesos. And of course, meron din tayong Ziza tote bags that is open for private labeling that you can choose and send us the designs that you wanted to have. Same goes with the graphic tees. Kung gusto mong maging CEO na sarili mong clothing brand, you can start off for as low as 4,500 with 25 pieces of our Ziza graphic tees. And of course, meron din tayong mga trendy shorts na talaga namang in demand that you can start off for as low as 5,000 pesos. Now, let's talk about the importation services with CY Go Direct Importation. Maging direct seller ka na, mga mare. Stop nang maging reseller at maging direct importer ka na ng ating mga packages. So, meron po tayong CY Go Direct Importation business presentation. CY Go Direct Importation empowers entrepreneurs and businesses by providing seamless access to high-quality products from Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand through expert guidance, trusted suppliers, connections, and personalized support. We simplify the importation process, enabling our partners to expand their business and build sustainable distribution systems with confidence through CY Go Direct Importation. So why CY Go Direct Importation? Growing demand for affordable, high-quality products from Asia. Challenge faced by small businesses in importing, kami nang bahala dyan. Our solution, simplifying the process and providing support every step of the way. So ano nga ba yung services offered namin? Meron tayong supplier sourcing, distribution system training, and market insights. So why choose us? Expert guidance, trusted partner, cost efficiency, and business growth. Of course, meron ka ng free access sa ating ZY Entrep Academy. At ZY Entrep Academy, we are dedicated to empowering aspiring entrepreneurs and business owners by offering free access to our premium courses designed to elevate your skills and knowledge. Our masterclass in entrepreneurship and digital marketing courses are crafted by industry experts, providing with the tools and strategies to build, grow, and sustain your business in today's dynamic marketplace. We have masterclass in entrepreneurship, digital marketing to unlock your potential as an entrepreneur. Simple steps to success, guys. All you have to do is to go on consultation, whether ang target mo is skincare rebranding, clothing brand, or you want to import direct per box sa ating mga partners in Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand. All you have to do is to go on with a consultation phase via Zoom through our virtual office, you can access your needs and provide personalized recommendation. Of course, meron tayong supplier product listing that match with your trusted manufacturer. Distribution setup, sabi ko nga, tutulungan ko kayo kung paano nyo mapapalago ang inyong direct selling company. Help establish your supply chain and distribution network. Steps to become an importer through ZY Go Direct Importation is very simple. You can have initial consultation and business assessment. You can reach out to ZY Go Direct Importation for an initial consultation. Discuss your business goals and objective. It is very important. Ano ba yung goal ng business mo? Ano ba yung target and objectives ng business mo? So you can also identify the types of products na gusto mong i-import from countries like Bangladesh, Vietnam, and Thailand. Why it is important? This step ensures we understand your needs. Kasi ano ba yung needs mo as our client? It is very important for us so that we can offer personalized recommendations based on your business type. So dito, stop na talaga tayong maging reseller kasi maging direct importer na tayo. So magiging supplier ka na talaga sa lugar mo. So that makakahanap ka na ng mga provincial city franchisee at resellers mo. You can explore products options and supplier matching. So ang maganda dito mga mare, tutulungan ka din namin to set up your distribution network so we can build a distribution system with the help of ZY Go Direct Importation. Of course, our commitment to you, we have our business consultant na available sa aming Zoom virtual office from Mondays to Saturdays from 9 a.m. up until 5 p.m. You can talk to us directly through our messenger as well and WhatsApp para mas ma-customize natin kung ano nga ba ang iyong needs sa iyong business. So, thank you so much for your participation and attention. So, I am hoping na makapagsimula ka na ng brand mo, makapagsimula ka na ng business mo with ZY Bioscience Corp. Sobrang dami ng offering natin. Meron tayong mga skincare rebranding. Gusto mong maging CEO ng sarili mong clothing brand or gusto mong magkaroon ng sarili mong direct selling company, you can contact us directly para maging CEO ka na ng sarili mong negosyo ngayong 2025. Sobrang dami ng mga flexible offers natin dito. Don't worry, you can go on with ZY Go Direct Importation for as low as 25,000 pesos. So ano pang hinihintay mo? You can message us directly and start your own brand. Hihintayin ka namin na makapagsimula ng iyong negosyo ngayong 2025. Again, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag from the Your Shop Worldwide Company. Have a good day and God bless us all. Thank you!